Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy, Advanced Aspects of Income Tax. So in this subject, first chapter, Profits and Gains of Business or Profession. So this is the first chapter. So already we have covered one topic, valuation of stock. Now second topic is depreciation. Depreciation, I gave you introduction part in the last class, very important class. If you miss it, you won't understand anything. Main important class. Please refer once again and come back and write the notes also very clearly. So today we'll work out two problems. Teaching and understanding of income tax subject or advanced aspects of income tax is very tough, but I'm making it in a lucid form so that you can grab it very easily. You need not to worry. So I'm preparing very easy lectures. Today we'll see two short problems. Basic problems. If you understand slowly, you will gain the confidence. We can go for the practical problems more. Now, two problems. First problem is here. Calculate depreciation and WDV, written down value, as on 31st March 2024. Simply they are asking depreciation and WDV, written down value. What is the information given? Only 4 information is given. I told you the format also, how to calculate the WDV, closing balance of WDV in the last class. What was the format? Just recollect it. We'll start with the opening balance of WDV, add purchases minus sales so that you get closing balance of the WDV. Okay, written down value. Same thing we are going to apply here. Now here what is given? WDV on 1st April 2023 means beginning of the year, it is 10 lakh. Additions means purchased more. Additions on 1st July 23, 10 lakh rupees. Already 10 lakh we are having WDV, also additions of 10 lakh. We are going to add this to the opening WDV. Sale proceeds as part of it, 4 lakh rupees on 1st November 2023. Sale proceeds, what do? We'll deduct it. Rate of depreciation is already given, need not to worry. Sometimes rate of depreciation won't be given to you. Block of assets, I told you. Screenshot also I gave you. So the block of assets, for each and every asset, certain depreciation is already decided or recommended by the Income Tax Act. That we have to follow. Now here need not to worry because rate of depreciation is given 25%. What we have to do? Depreciation and WDV of closing balance. For that already I opened a format. What is the format? Simple thing. Particulars amount. Only two. Heading we have given calculation of WDV for the accounting year 23 to 24. We'll start this WDV closing balance of WDV. We'll start with the opening balance of WDV, that is here. So opening balance of WDV is 10 lakh. To this, if any purchases are there, we'll add. Additions means this is purchases only. We are going to add this. Add purchases. Purchases on 1/6/23. How many purchases are there? Once again 10 lakh. If we add, we are getting 20 lakh. There is the sale proceeds. Sale proceeds always we have to deduct it. Minus sale proceeds. Minus sale proceeds how much? 4 lakh on 1/11/23. 4 lakh. So WDV is here 20 lakh minus 4 lakh. It comes to 16 lakh. So this is the closing balance of WDV. On this we are going to calculate the depreciation. Now minus depreciation. Depreciation is here 25%. 16 lakh into 25%. 25% means it comes to 1/4 only. 1/4 means 4 lakh. If you deduct it, you are getting 12 lakh. 12 lakh is the final closing value of the WDV. Closing balance of WDV on 31st March 24. That's all. Let me explain it very clearly. One thing remember always, to find out the closing WDV, we'll start with the opening balance of WDV. Opening balance, add purchases minus sales. Some amount you are going to get. Here we got 16 lakh. On 16 lakh, we'll calculate the depreciation. Not on any of this. Directly on double amount whatever you are going to get. On 16 lakh, we are calculating the percentage. Depreciation percentage is given. 16 lakh, it comes to 25. 25% it comes to 4 lakh. If you deduct closing depreciation also, then whatever we are going to get, that is the closing balance of WDV. Basic problem. If you understand this, we'll go ahead for the further problems. Now second problem, one more problem we'll see. So this problem is here. Compute the value of depreciation and comment from the given information. What is given to us? Rate of depreciation 25%. Information is here. In table it has given. First one is saying WDV on 1st April 2023. Written down value on 1st April 23. What is given? Plant number 1, plant number 2, plant number 3. 3 plants are there. Okay. Now purchases also there. Along with that plants, we purchase some more plants. What are those plants? Plant number 4. Next plant we purchased. That's on 11th July 23. 1,60,000. And also another plant we have purchased. Plant number 5 on 10th August 23. 75,000. This is about the purchases. Next, sales also there. We have some plants, we purchased something and also we sold. What we sold? Plant number 1, this one, 90,000 plant. We have sold it for 3 lakh rupees. See the cost? We purchased at 90,000, but we are selling for 3 lakh, means 2 lakh 10,000 profit on one plant. Which plant? Plant number 1. When we are selling, we are getting 2 lakh 10,000. Now another plant, plant number 3, this one. Actual value is 60,000. We are selling for 1,25,000. Here also we have profit. This is only understand the problem. Now what we need to calculate? Calculate the depreciation. For calculation of depreciation, same format. We'll take opening balance of WDV, add purchases minus sales. On that we are going to calculate the depreciation. Okay, same thing. Now here we'll say opening balance of WDV is 3 plants are there. 3 plants will take directly. So we'll write here opening balance of WDV on 1/4/23. Plant number 1 is 90,000. Inner column will write. Plant number 2 is 80,000 and plant number 3 60,000. Together if we add, how much you are going to get? 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 6, 23. 2,30,000. Am I right? Let me check it out once again. 90, 80, 60. Yeah, 2,30,000. Okay. Small mistake also. Many comments I get. Madam, calculation gone wrong. Okay. Next, this is opening balance of WDV. What do? We'll add the purchases. Add Purchases. Purchases, two purchases are there, plant number 4 and plant number 5. Okay, so plant number 4 on 11/7/23, it is 1,60,000. In the same way, there is another purchase, plant number 5. Plant number 5 on 10/8/23, it is 75,000. Together it comes to 1,35,000. Oh yeah, 2,35,000. See, 2,35,000. Added purchases. Next what? Sales will deduct it. Less sales or sale proceeds. How many plants are there? Two plants are there. One is plant number 1 on 10/9/23. It is 3 lakh. In the same way, plant number 3 on 2/1/24. At what date they are selling, at what date they are purchasing, it is not going to make any matter. Simply you will write that. Okay, this is 1,25,000. It's 4,25,000. First we have to add, we'll add it here, 4,65,000 minus 4,25,000. This is calculations, let me check it out. One amount I have written wrong here, 3,70,000. This is the problem I have taken in such a way that if you get this kind of problem, you should be able to handle it. 3 lakh also I can work out and I can show you. So if you take 3,70,000, we see. Now we'll see the calculation. 3,70,000 plus 1,25,000. It is 4,95,000 we are getting. Deduct, we have to deduct. How much you got it? 4,95,000. It means from this amount, after deducting, if you want to deduct this, we have to get positive value of WDV. Now here we are getting negative value because 4,65,000 is more than 4,95,000. It means there is no closing balance of WDV. Okay, you can say it as it is nil. We don't say even minus value also. Whenever this value is more than this value, we'll say it as a nil. There is no WDV. Okay, closing WDV on 31st March 9/24. This is nil. It means no depreciation is allowed. Depreciation is not allowed. But here remember we have a capital reserve. You can write it here. No depreciation is allowed. They're asking us to calculate depreciation and comment. If you want to calculate, there is no depreciation. So we are just giving a comment that no depreciation is allowed as WDV is nil. You can say however there is a capital gain. Capital gain of how much? This is more, 4,95,000 we are having. but whereas the original value is 4,65,000 only. Sale proceeds are more than the original value. So the difference itself is a reserve, capital reserve. 4,95,000 minus 4,65,000, it is 30,000. So you can say capital gain of 30,000. How do you got? Write it in the brackets. 4,95,000 minus 4,65,000. This is our comment. Okay, am I clear? Simple problem. First take a screenshot. If this is clear, please practice this. Same type of problems. If you find it anywhere in your textbook, you can just work out and have the confidence. The more you practice, the more better you feel, because income tax is not so easy. You have to practice. You have to remember the rules. Practice. Okay. So next class we'll work out few more problems. Anyhow, please share these videos with all your friends, juniors or seniors, whoever it may be, and don't forget to practice well. Check out the playlist also. Whatever is useful, use it. Stay connected. Good luck.